Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all doing well, keeping safe. Today we have on the menu Dalgona coffee. I know we're late to the party, but better late than never. Let's just get into it with the ingredients. For our ingredients, we have a cup of milk, 2 tablespoonfuls of instant coffee, we have 2 tablespoonfuls of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So let's just get into it. Okay, so for starters, we need a bowl. If you have a whisk, an electric whisk, you can use it, but we're doing it manually because that was the trend. So I come in with my coffee, follow up with my sugar and my hot water, and whisk it. We're gonna whisk it until it turns really thick. So this is gonna probably last for like about 10 minutes whisking. So as you can see, it's getting thicker and it's changing color, but we still need to do a little more work. If you have an electric whisk, it's way faster. So here we have it. Our coffee is ready. It's ready to be transferred onto our milk, and that's it. So we're done here. We're going to transfer our coffee on over to the milk. If you have a piping bag, you can do that. I just want to pour it. So this is it, our Dalgona coffee. So easy. If you've not tried it, you have to. Pretty simple. So here we have it, friends, our end product. I hope you're inspired to try it. Please do tag me in your photos. I'm on Instagram as Na Adolis Kitchen. Take photos of it. Showcase your culinary skills on social. Let's all have fun. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share. See you again in my next video. Bye.